This is a follow-up to a previous video about a Dodge Charger with a 5.7 liter HEMI motor that had a P0301 misfire code. And I diagnosed this down to a flat cam. And I wanted to show the camshaft, and I'll include the original video of the lifter not moving on cylinder number 1. This is a factory cam replacement. This is the type of failure we'd expect to see on an old flat tappet Chevy motor, like a big block or a 350, where the owner did not use high zinc motor oil or a ZDDP additive. And I told the owner of this car I would recommend putting the ZDDP additive or using a high zinc like Valvoline VR1 Racing in this engine. This is a chronic problem with this engine. This runs through a lot of years. But anyway, you can see the lobe there for number 1. You can also see there's quite a bit of scoring on a lot of the other lobes. So this is not just an isolated case to cylinder 1. There's a lot of reports of this. A lot of reports. Even in the highway patrol cars. So anyway, I just wanted to show this because there's a lot of videos talking about it, but I haven't seen one video that actually showed what the failed cam looks like. So anyway, this vehicle has been repaired and is back on the road for how long, who knows. Maybe if the owner takes my advice and puts the ZDDP zinc additive in the oil, maybe this will never happen again. DIS waste spark, 2 spark plugs per cylinder, but amazingly it's a pushrod engine with only 2 valves per cylinder, and this has a misfire on cylinder number 1 at high load or high RPM. It's setting a P301. And check this out. These are the intake valves. Check out the lubrication, how wet cylinder 1. Check out the lubrication here. Check out how dry this one is. Now watch the flex on this. Go ahead, crank it. Okay, stop. Okay, go again. Stop. So here's the next step in diagnosing the Dodge. As we take the oil filter off. Oil change was less than 1,000 miles ago, and we look inside the oil filter. We cut it open, and you can see, I don't know if this will show up, but there's definitely sparkly camshaft material in here. So this is a flat cam lobe. Definitely packed with metallic material. This motor has 65,000 miles on it and has had religious oil changes. loaded with metallic material. Needs a new camshaft.